Okay, students. Now I have defined you some other questions of Laplace transformation. Okay, in this question we have defined example 4. Example 4. Yes, okay. Here in this question, evaluate this one is first question is this one, 0 to infinity t e to the power minus 2t cos t dt, and other is, let us 0 to infinity e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t divided by t dt. Okay, to solve this question, we solve the question number part 1 question, this one. According for the differentiation property, we know that, okay, we know that, yes, we know that, okay, this one we know. Just the property is Laplace. We know that t cos t, yes, t cos t, this is equal to minus of d by ds. Okay, Laplace of cos t. As we know the property, if Laplace ft is equal to fs, yes, then Laplace t to the power n ft, yes, this property is equal to minus 1 to the power n d, another derivative dsn fs. Okay, and this is equal to provided for n is greater than equal to 1. Now applying the property here is, that is, this implies that according to the question, 0 to infinity, yes, t 0 to the infinity e to the power minus st, yes, here is t cos t, yes, dt, this is equal to minus of d by ds, okay, s by, here the f of t is, you know, the Laplace transformation of cos t, which is equal to s by s square plus a square. Here a is 1, so you can say that this is s square plus 1. Yes, okay, now differentiating this, okay, you differentiating this, that is the first term, this one, yes, s square plus 1, yes, minus of 2s square, okay, and divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Negative sign is here, from here. Evaluating this, you get s square minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Yes, clear? Okay, now according to here, the s is in your question, s is, yes, here you substitute e to the power minus st, so which is equal to 2. Yes, here you take s is 2, so 0 to infinity, yes, e to the power minus 2t e to t cos t, yes, this one dt is equal to, substituting here s to the 2, then this one become 3 by 25. Is clear? Okay, now similarly you can also solve the next one question, this one. Okay, this question, according to this question, yes, second question, part 2, here, let ft, yes, this is equal to e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t, okay, and Laplace of ft, this is equal to Laplace, yes, e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t. Yes, clear? Okay. Now the question is f of t by t. That is, you take, now according to the problem, you get the f of t by t. That is Laplace of, like that, e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t. Yes, divided by t. This one. This is equal to, in the example third, I have solved this property, the integral type of property. Yes, according to this property, this is s to infinity f of u du, and f of u is this one Laplace. If you take Laplace of this, then this is equal to f of u. So f of u du, and then this become, if you apply the Laplace transformation of this, then you get, which is equal to Laplace of this, then this is equal to 1 by s plus 1. Here is minus of 1 by s plus 3, and this is actually, this is f of s, you know. So if you change this in the integral form, then this become f of u du, from limit s to infinity, f of u, that is 1 by u plus 1 minus 1 by u plus 3, okay, du. Okay, now integrating this, you get, this is equal to log of u plus 1 divided by u plus 3. Now taking the limit from s to infinity, this become log of s plus 3 divided by s plus 1. Yes, clear? Okay, now you apply the property of the Laplace, or you define the definition of the Laplace transform. Laplace of ft, that is Laplace of ft is e to the power minus st. Yes, e to the power, e 0 to infinity, e to the power minus st, and ft is this one, e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t. Yes, divided by t. Here this is ft in your question. Yes, dt. So this is equal to, here you can say that s for this, for their question, if you substitute, actually this become log of s plus 3 by s plus 1. Laplace definition you are taking here is, that is, you get this one. Now, but in your question, this question is only this one, not e to the power minus st. So you substituting in this question is s to be 0. Okay. Now you take s as 0. Then become integral. Yes. 0 to infinity e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 3t. Yes. Divided by t dt. This is equal to, substituting here is again, then this become log of 3. Okay. Okay. You have clear all the steps. Okay. Here we apply the definition for the integral value, which is solved in example 3. Okay, students. Thank you. In next lecture, I have defined you the inverse, some problems of the inverse, because I have obtained also some theory of inverse, Laplace inverse properties. Now I have defined you some examples. Okay, students, thank you.